When we speak about project planners, we usually picture paper notebooks, but for all their charm, paper planners fall short before their online counterparts. In this video, we'll walk you through the core project planning instruments and the best online tools built around each one. A Gantt chart is the gold standard in the sphere. Typically, it includes two parts. The grid on the left contains task titles and additional fields, while the timeline on the right illustrates a project schedule. This structure makes it a powerful tool for complex projects with many moving parts and processes. ganttPRO is a professional app that takes a Gantt chart as its foundation and builds a full project management toolset around it. Here, for example, you lay out your activities on a timeline and connect them with dependencies, so when one task shifts, the whole schedule adapts. You can break larger tasks into subtasks, assign people and costs, and balance your team's workload. Moreover, ganttPRO is a collaborative tool. The plan updates as your team works, and everyone gets notified the moment something changes right inside the app. If you don't want to start from a blank chart, you can go for multiple options. Pick an industry-specific template, or import an existing project straight from another app. Alternatively, use an AA project generator to turn your short description into an editable plan. This is simultaneously the easiest and the most personalized way. Besides what's covered above, ganttPRO also boasts a portfolio view, advanced export, and a customizable private link. Interested? Try it out for free by the link in the description. On the other hand, you can start with something more basic to establish a clear order of tasks first. A task list, or to-do list, is a prioritized set of activities needed to finish a project. Usually, the first thing managers set up. For bigger projects, it's often mapped out to a resource timeline so the right people are free at the right time. If you search for such a tool, Todoist is a perfect fit. It turns every task into an item on the list, complete with a due date, comments, and file attachments, so nothing gets buried in a chat thread or email. A reminder nudges you before any deadline has the chance to slip. You can work from a flat list or direct task across a board or a calendar, with the same data waiting for you on every device. On top of that, Todoist offers task assignments, recurring due dates for routine work, and integrations with other tools. If this is useful so far, go ahead and like this video. Also, subscribe to our channel for more tips on project management. A Kanban board organizes work as cards in columns, typically to do, in progress, tasked, and done, so everyone knows what's next, and managers can reallocate resources as needed. Business Map keeps the Kanban basics, but adds a couple of features that make it stand out. Besides adapting columns to your workflow, you can group cards by priority or owner, so even a busy board stays readable at a glance. Traditional Kanban boards usually miss dependencies, but Business Map covers that too. For example, you can link cards across boards when one team's task depends on another's. Furthermore, you can create dashboards with customizable layouts to meet your organization's unique needs. Most importantly, the tool keeps project progress visible to everyone, so there is far less need for status meetings. It's also worth knowing Business Map offers OKR and KPI tracking, time tracking, and built-in analytics across your whole portfolio. If cards and columns still feel like a new habit to build, there's a format you're most likely familiar with. A spreadsheet organizes data into rows and columns with the added power of calculating values through formulas. This architecture is especially convenient for building big datasets and charts. Smartsheet starts from that familiar grid and goes further. Every row can become a task with a due date, an owner, and a status. Start from a template instead of a blank sheet. Fill in your data, and Smartsheet turns it into charts and reports on its own. Spreadsheets alone aren't built for file sharing or collaboration, but Smartsheet bridges that gap with comments, attachments, and more. Additionally, it plugs into tools like Slack and Google Workspace. Smartsheet runs things out with ready-made dashboards, automated workflows and alerts, and extra views like Gantt, Calendar, or Card. That covers 4 of the best planners for project managers. If you find this piece helpful, you might also check out other videos on our channel. Did we miss something? Let us know in the comments below.